Let's make the cheesiest grilled cheese sandwich using D'lecta Cheddar Cheese Slices. Take a slice of bread and apply D'lecta unsalted butter. Now, on top of the bread, place 2 slices of D'lecta cheddar cheese. And then take another slice of bread and apply butter and place it on top of the cheese slice. Spread more butter on top. And place it in a griller. Grill it until it's done. Look at that cheese pull. Grilled cheese sandwich is ready. To learn more delicious and easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Dlecta.